Guys, welcome once again to today's Make Money Online video. So guys, I want to give a big shout out to my followers, the people that have been watching my videos so far. Great shout out to you. You're really interested in making money. So guys, to those people that are watching my video for the first time, this channel is all about talking about money. So if you're interested in talking about money, please hit that follow button if you're watching in Facebook, and hit that subscribe button if you're watching in YouTube. Right now, today I'm going to be teaching you how you can be making 2,000 naira every single day from the comfort of your home. And without that, you're going to be seeing without that. If you look close, you're going to be checking the date. This is a video actually made from this platform today, and you too can actually be receiving these kinds of withdrawal every single day. So if that's what you really love, I would advise you to hit that subscribe button if you're watching in YouTube, and also hit that follow button if you're watching in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video of today.
Trust me guys, this will guarantee you at least 1,000 to 2,000 naira every single day. If you are a teenager over here in Nigeria, or you are a student over here in Nigeria, and you are looking for a side hustle that you can leverage on during your free time, then this video is just for you. In this video, I want to show you how you can get reward for completing simple tasks over here in Nigeria. And the best part is that you get your reward in naira, and this is suitable mostly for teenagers and for students in Nigeria. So if you are not a teenager, you might not find the reward of this website very enticing, but for sure you can still watch these videos to the very end to see if it is something that you also can leverage on. So I'm going to advise you to watch this video step by step to the very end. The first thing that you want to do is to create an account for yourself. To create an account, I am going to leave the link to this website down there in the pinned comment. It is not in the description, guys. Check the pinned comment of this video and you can have access to the website link. Once you create an account for yourself, you can see over here on this website that I said earlier, you get reward in naira for completing simple tasks. Okay, you can see a lot of tasks over here now on this website that you can basically perform to get reward in naira, right? You can see over here it says follow a Facebook page, you can see your reward. Follow a page on Instagram, follow a page on TikTok. You can see a lot of tasks that you can perform every single day. Okay, if I go over now to the Telegram channel, you can see over here now that on the Telegram channel, you can see over here they upload more than 200 tasks every single day. Right, they upload more than 200 tasks every single day. As you can see over here, this is on the September 19th. You can see a lot of tasks that they are uploading every single day to their platform that you can complete to get reward for yourself in naira, right? So I'm going to advise you guys to leverage on this. So if you go over now to their website, you can see over here now, for you to perform any task, just click on it like this, and you can basically see the instruction on how you can perform the task to also get your reward. Okay, you can see over here it says task link. You can click on visit link. You can see over here it says go to the Facebook page, follow the page, and upload a screenshot. Once you follow the page, take a screenshot and then come over here and you can see proof of work. So here is where you can click on upload screenshot and you can then upload a screenshot, and over here you enter your social media username. Let us say this is a Facebook task. You can enter your Facebook username over here. Then you can click on mark complete, and once they give you your proof, you're going to get approved and your reward will be added to your balance instantly, guys. And there are a lot of tasks over here. Scroll down, you can click on next at the bottom for you to load up the second page of tasks that you can basically complete to get reward. A lot of tasks that you can complete to get reward for yourself without any single stress. As you can see every single thing over here, and this will guarantee you at least 1 to 2k for yourself every single day. Now to withdraw is also very easy. You can click on withdraw at the bottom. Once you are done getting your reward, you can click on withdraw at the bottom, and then you can see your account balance. Click on withdraw over here and you'll be asked to enter your OP account or any other account, and you can enter your amount and just place your withdrawal straight into your AZA without any single stress.